In my last video, we installed Sysmon to monitor system activity in Windows. But just collecting logs isn't enough. We need a way to view, manage, and make sense of all that data. That's where Wazuh comes in, a powerful SIEM tool. In this video, we will install Wazuh and connect it with our Windows 10 virtual machine. Let's go step by step. What is Wazuh? Wazuh is an open source SIEM tool, which means security information and event management tool. In simple words, imagine you have logs coming from different systems like Windows, Linux, firewall, antivirus. Wazuh collects all these logs, watches them in real time, and helps detect attacks or unusual activity. It's like a security guard who never sleeps and keep watching your system 24/7. There are three main parts: Wazuh Agent, Wazuh Server, and Wazuh Dashboard. Wazuh Agent, which sends the log. Wazuh Server receives the log to analysis. Wazuh Dashboard is a web UI to see everything easily. In real companies, agents run on every system, collecting logs and sending to the central Wazuh server. This way, the security team can monitor everything from one place. Now, let's install Wazuh using a pre-built virtual machine. You can download the OVA file from the link given in the description, or you can visit the Wazuh official website and go to documentation and go to virtual machine OVA. Then click here. The file starts to download. I already downloaded it. The file size is around 3.25 GB. Let's install this in our VirtualBox. First open the VirtualBox, then go to File, Import, then browse the file from your directory. I select my Wazuh OVA file which I downloaded now. Click Open. Next, click Finish. Let it complete the importing. Before starting the machine, you have to go to Settings, go to Network, and make sure the network adapter is set to bridge adapter so that you can access the server from host OS. Okay, now the Wazuh is installed successfully. Now start the Wazuh OVA. Okay, it's starting. Okay, it successfully started. Now you can see the username is Wazuh-user. The password is Wazuh. Now we have to log in here. The password will not visible. Click enter. Now it's logged in. Now here we have to enter IPA. Our IP address is mentioned here, 192.168.31.110. Note this and come to your host OS and open a browser and enter the IP address with https 192.168.31.110. Go to advanced, proceed. You can see our Wazuh dashboard is open. The username and password of the dashboard for both username and password. You can see our Wazuh dashboard is starting. Our Wazuh dashboard is opened successfully. Next, we will install Wazuh Agent inside our Windows 10 virtual machine, the same VM where we installed Sysmon. Start the Windows virtual machine. Keep the Wazuh server running. Okay, here we need to install the Wazuh agent. I will give the download link in description. You can directly download from that link. I already installed the Wazuh agent installer. Just open this, accept the terms and condition and install. Finish. Before starting the agent, we need to make some changes. Go to your file explorer, go to C drive, go to program files x86. Here you can see this folder. Open this. Here you can see a file called OSSEC. Open this in Notepad. You need administrator permission. You need to run the Notepad as administrator. Here I navigate to that file. See program file x86 agent. Here it's selected to text document. Change this to all file. Now you can see OSSEC. Open this. Here you have to change this IP address with your actual IP address which you got from Wazuh server. I will change it with my IP address 192.168.31.1. You need to make another change. In this default configuration, it will get only the default Windows logs, not your Sysmon logs. To get the Sysmon logs, you need to add few lines of code like this. Local file, location, Microsoft, Windows, Sysmon. This is your Sysmon location, log, format, event, channel. Close the local file. Don't worry, I will give this code in description. You can directly paste this. Now you're good to go. Just save this and go to the manage agent application we just installed. Open this and go to manage and start. You will get the message agent started. Now we go back to our Wazuh dashboard and refresh this. Okay, now you can see here in agents we have one active agent. Here you get the information of your device. Here you can see our Windows VM. It's active. So far we installed the Wazuh server, set it up and connected our Windows 10 virtual machine as an agent. In the next video, we will analyze Sysmon logs in Wazuh and create simple detection rules.